we are now having our psychological strength examination for our PNPA cadet aspirants or applicants. So far, out of the 428 who reported here in Parang, 4 were found positive for RT-PCR, so they are now under quarantine of the LGU of Marikina. After they have finished their quarantine period, they will join the next batch. For the 424 remaining, 25 were already disqualified because they failed the BMI as well as the agility. So you can see that they are having their examination for psychiatric psychological examination. There are all 399 only. So we will have the result by Friday, and then those who will fail in this examination will be transported to their respective airport or bus terminals, and their fare will be reimbursed. And then for those who will pass, they will continue their medical examination. So all expenses were being paid by the Philippine National Police, including their billeting and their meals. So our applicants for the PNPA cadet, first time in the history of the PNP that all expenses paid only for the cadets of PNPA cadet. For those who passed and included in the second, third, and fourth batches, please prepare yourself. So we already gave you the requirements and the procedures. Please prepare yourself, and please be disciplined and be cooperative once you arrive here in Parang, Marikina. Rest assured, every stages will be fair. There will be no favoritism, no padrino whatsoever, because you will be given your own respective QR codes during and in every stage of the process. That's all. So please prepare yourself, and please be guided on our postings in our FB Live and our YouTube, as well as with your respective Viber group. There are people monitoring your questions, and then there are people answering your questions through your Viber group. Good luck and thank you.